The red and green leaves of poinsettias are synonymous with Christmas, and that's why it's made this houseplant very popular at this time of year. They're naturally from places like Mexico and Guatemala, where they grow outside, but when we bring them to the UK, we need to treat them as houseplants, almost like cut flowers, because they don't last that long. They need a position which is out of a draft. They hate drafts, they hate cold places, but they don't like warm places next to a radiator either, because it has a very drying heat. So the perfect place for it is somewhere light and bright, out of direct sunlight, but somewhere where they won't get drafts. You need to water them only when the compost gets really dry, and if you do that, it will bloom for you for the rest of the Christmas period. Poinsettias are part of the euphorbia family, so it does mean that if you break one of these leaves or stems, it will produce a white milky sap, which is an irritant to skin. So I'd advise wearing gloves when handling poinsettias, especially if you're removing dead leaves. I'd also advise keeping them out of the reach of children and away from any pets or animals, because it will give them an upset tummy. The flowers on poinsettias are right down inside these leaf axils, and they're pretty insignificant, so the plant has cleverly developed a way of changing its leaf colour on the end of these stems to make it look like flowers, presumably to make it more attractive to wildlife. But for us, it's a Christmas staple. Bring them in the house, choose which colour you like. You can go for red, pink or white, and enjoy it for a few months until it withers, looks a bit sad, and then you can compost it. Until next time, have a very Merry Christmas.